Hey moneymakers! Welcome back to Earning Essence. Today, we're diving into a topic that could change your life. Making money with online courses. Stick around because in the next 10 minutes or so, I'll share some game-changing insights. Let's get started. Online courses offer a scalable and passive income stream. Once you've created your course, it can generate revenue while you sleep. Which is the dream, right? Plus, it opens the door to a diverse audience hungry for what you have to offer. So, before you hit the record button, take a moment to reflect on what makes you tick, what you're truly passionate about. Identify that niche where your knowledge shines brightest. Whether it's mastering a musical instrument, nailing a specific programming language, or perfecting the art of sourdough baking, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Choosing the right niche sets the stage for a successful online course journey. It's not just about making money. It's about sharing your passion and expertise with a global audience that's ready to invest in their own growth. Now that you've got your passion ignited, it's time to zoom in on your audience. Here are they. What keeps them up at night? Understanding your audience is like having a secret key to their minds. Start by conducting thorough research. Dive into forums, social media groups, and online communities related to your niche. What questions are people asking? What challenges are they facing? The more you know, the better you can tailor your course content to address their specific needs. Don't just stop at demographics. Aim for psychographics. Understand the motivations, aspirations, and fears of your potential students. This deep understanding will not only shape your content, but also guide your marketing strategy. Think of it this way: you wouldn't teach a beginner's guitar course the same way you'd teach an advanced coding class. Tailoring your content to your audience ensures relevance and resonance, creating a learning experience that feels personalized. So dig deep into the psyche of your future students. When you speak directly to their needs and desires, you're not just selling a course, you're offering a solution, making your online course irresistible to the people you aim to teach. Now that you've identified your niche and delved into the minds of your audience, it's time to start crafting content that speaks directly to their needs. Creating engaging content is the most important part of a successful online course. It's not just about sharing information. It's about delivering it in a way that captivates, educates, and motivates. So, let's break it down. Mix up your content formats. Blend video lessons with audio snippets, interactive quizzes, and downloadable resources. Variety keeps your students engaged and offers different learning styles. Inject your personality into the lessons. Whether you're the witty instructor or the calm guide, let your unique style shine through. This personal touch creates a connection with your audience, making the learning experience more enjoyable and memorable. Structure is key. Organize your content logically, taking your students on a journey from basics to advanced topics. Think of it like building a house. A solid foundation ensures everything stands tall and strong. Encourage interaction. Foster a sense of community within your course. Discussion forums, live Q&A sessions, or even virtual meetups can turn your course into a vibrant learning hub. Remember, your goal is not just to give a ton of information, but to make sure your students are learning. By creating an immersive and engaging experience, you're not only providing value, but also ensuring that your students walk away with newfound knowledge and skills. Now that you've done your research, let's talk about how to start creating engaging content. First things first, the golden rule. Keep it digestible. Your lessons should be short and focused. Break down big and complex topics into small chunks, making it easy for your students to absorb and apply what they've learned. Next, visuals are your best friend. Utilize graphics, slides, and even animations to enhance understanding. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in the world of online courses, it can make all the difference. Interactivity is the secret sauce. Incorporate quizzes, assignments, and activities to keep your students actively participating. Learning by doing is not just a saying. It's a proven method to solidify knowledge. Oh, And don't forget the power of storytelling. Weave anecdotes, real-life examples, and case studies into your lessons. It adds a human touch, making the content relatable and memorable. Lastly, maintain a rhythm. Consistency is key when it comes to online learning. Whether you're releasing weekly modules or daily lessons, set clear expectations and stick to them. This builds trust and keeps your students coming back for more. Remember, the goal is to make your content not only informative, but also enjoyable. Now it's time to find the perfect stage to showcase your masterpiece. There are several platforms out there, each with its strengths and nuances. Let's explore a few options. Udemy. Known for its vast user base, Udemy is a great choice for reaching a wide audience. They handle the technical aspects, allowing you to focus solely on creating content. Teachable. If you crave more control, Teachable might be your go-to. It lets you create a customized online school, giving you the freedom to design the learning experience as you envision. Thinkific. Another player in the game, Thinkific offers user-friendly course creation tools. It's a solid choice for those who want simplicity without compromising on features. Self-hosted website. For the ultimate control, consider hosting your courses on your own website. This gives you full ownership and the ability to tailor the user experience to your liking. Remember to consider factors like fees, ease of use, and the platform's target audience. Each has its pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns best with your goals and the experience you want to provide. You've built your stage, and your content is ready to shine. Now, let's talk about filling those virtual seats. It's time for marketing magic. Social media is your ally. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to find potential students. Post short videos of your content, engage with your audience, and use targeted ads to reach potential students. Another approach is to create an affiliate program where people can earn a percentage of the revenue for each new student that they refer to buy your course. Craft a killer website. Your website is your online storefront. Make it visually appealing, easy to navigate, and don't forget a compelling call to action to enroll in your course. Email marketing is not old-fashioned, it's gold. Build an email list and nurture your subscribers. Regular updates, exclusive content, and limited time offers can turn visitors into students. Collaborate with influencers or industry experts. A shout-out from someone credible can significantly boost your course's credibility and reach. Offer a taste. Consider providing free previews or trial lessons. It gives potential students a peek into the value you offer, making them more likely to buy your course. Harness the power of reviews. Positive reviews and success stories from your early students can be your best marketing tool. Encourage feedback and showcase the positive experiences your course has provided. Remember, marketing is an ongoing effort. Stay active, adapt your strategies, and keep the momentum going. Now that your marketing efforts are in full swing, let's talk about a crucial decision: pricing your course right. Do your research. Explore similar courses in your niche. What are they charging? Understanding the market helps you position your course competitively. Consider value-based pricing. What unique value does your course provide? If you offer something truly exceptional, don't shy away from pricing it accordingly. Your expertise is an investment for your students. Experiment with pricing models. Whether it's a one-time purchase, a subscription, or a tiered structure, choose a model that aligns with your course content and the preferences of your audience. Create a sense of urgency. Offer limited time discounts, early bird pricing, or exclusive bonuses for the first students. Urgency can get potential students to make the decision to join your course sooner rather than later. Consider creating bundles with additional resources, workshops, or one-on-one sessions. It adds value and can justify a higher price point. Remember, finding the sweet spot takes time. Be open to adjusting your pricing based on feedback and market dynamics. Now, let's talk about the power of reviews and how they can boost your course's credibility and attract more students. Encouraging feedback is not just about ego stroking, it's about building trust. Satisfied students become your course ambassadors, sharing their positive experiences and influencing others to join. Create a feedback loop. Regularly check in with your students, ask for their thoughts, and be open to constructive criticism. This ongoing dialogue not only helps improve your course, but also builds a sense of community. Display reviews strategically. Whether on your website, in marketing materials, or within your course content, showcase positive feedback prominently. Potential students are more likely to join when they see others benefiting from your course. Diversity matters. Aim for reviews from students with different backgrounds, experiences, and goals. It creates a more comprehensive picture of the impact your course can have. Consider case studies. If possible, delve deeper into success stories. Highlight specific achievements or transformations your students have experienced through your course. It adds depth to the reviews and resonates with potential students. So, don't be shy about asking for reviews. They're not just nice words. They're a powerful tool to build your course's reputation and attract a steady stream of students. Now that your course is up and running, it's time to embrace the mindset of continuous improvement. The online courses are always evolving, and staying ahead of the competition is key to long-term success. Firstly, gather feedback like it's treasure. Pay attention to what your students are saying, what worked well, what could be improved, and any suggestions they may have. Use this valuable information to make targeted enhancements. Stay updated on trends. Technology, best practices, and the needs of your audience can change. Keeping your course content relevant ensures that your students are always learning the latest and most valuable information. Be proactive in updates. If you discover a better way to explain a concept, have new insights, or want to add bonus content, don't hesitate to update your course. Your existing students will appreciate the added value at the same time as it attracts new students. Explore new formats or mediums. Maybe there's demand for a companion podcast, live Q&A sessions, or interactive workshops. Experimenting with different formats can make your course more dynamic and engaging. Remember, your course is a living entity, not a static creation. Embrace the evolution, and your students will appreciate your commitment to delivering ongoing value. And there you have it. How to create your own online course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Earning Essence, signing off.